morning, another travel day. So we're going to Gomersal Park Hotel, which is in West Yorkshire. We're going to visit family, and here is some information. The hotel is near the Bronte Parsonage Museum, where the famous Bronte sisters penned their classic novels. It's situated just 5 minutes from both junctions 26 and 27 of the M62 motorway. The hotel provides easy access to major cities like Leeds, Bradford, Huddersfield, Halifax and Wakefield. Gomersal Park Hotel, nestled in beautiful parkland in West Yorkshire, offers a blend of history, luxury and convenience. The hotel was once owned by Leeds United football legend John Charles. In 2015, the current owner, Michael Downs, expanded the hotel by adding the Dream Spa, which has been recognised as one of the best spas in the north of England. There you go. It's going to take us about 4.5 hours, did you say, Pandy?
Minimum, yeah. Probably take us more like 5, I expect.
5 hours. We're leaving
5 hours later.
5 hours later. We're leaving on a frosty February morning. We left the house at about 7:20. Got a pick up in Brumau, and then we're on to West Yorkshire. But yeah, the snow it's been snowing a little bit.
Looks a bit calm,
So yeah. Snowing a little bit, so hopefully we'll leave the snow behind in Wales, and we'll keep you updated.
Nestled in the heart of Yorkshire's land, Gomersal Park stands proud and grand. Rolling hills and skies so wide, a peaceful place where dreams collide. Spad days warm with a gentle touch, history whispers speaking much.
And this is Gomersal Spa Hotel. It really is nestled away, and it's a very, very pretty drive. We drove from South Wales. Took us about 4 hours, I think, to get here, but it was well worth it. Really, really pretty hotel. We've gone as far as the bar so far, but I shall show you our room as soon as we get in our room. We have checked in, it's just we haven't got to it yet. This is the main entrance. There is a bar area to the right as you come in. Some of our party is in there. The Oakwell Suite. And this is the reception area.
Gomersal Park stands proud and grand. Rolling hills and skies so wide, a peaceful place where dreams collide. Spad days warm with a gentle touch, history whispers speaking much. Bronze winds and gardens bright, a hidden gem in golden light. Come away, just take it slow. Feel the charm, let the rivers flow. Under Yorkshire's endless skies, find your peace where beauty lies. Come away, just take it slow.
in room 301 in Gomersal Park Hotel, and it's on the top floor, 301. There are no lifts, so walking up here wasn't a problem because we only got small luggage with us. I'm saying that Kai just lugged up my suitcase, but as you walk in through the door, what a beautiful, lovely room. So there are 4 of us staying in this room. In here, over here, you have a mini fridge. That's great, no, really handy. And obviously TV, so this is a nice area. I'll have to ask about this because there's some champagne in there. I don't know whether that's complimentary or not. I will ask. And then through this door then, there's some, that we brought that shirt with us. There's a lovely area here with tea and coffee making facilities and an iron and ironing board. And then also through here we have some robes, 4 robes. This is really lovely, really, really happy. I think we paid £212 for a night here for the 4 of us. I will check if it's any different, I'll let you know. This is the shower area. And it all smells lovely and clean and looks lovely and clean, really, really happy. And you've got lots of things here. What's that? A dry hair day, cleansing bar, and then you've got moisturiser bath, shampoo. Yeah, you've got everything. More there as well, so there's plenty for us all. And lovely area there. Lots of towels, plenty of towels. And then this looks like, yeah, bedroom 1. How lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. What can we see through there? A roof. And I think that's part of the spa down there. So we can use the spa facilities up until 11 o'clock when we check out tomorrow. Check-in was from 2 o'clock. And we haven't brought any of our swimwear with us. So I'm going to pop out now because it looks lovely. I'm going to pop out now. The kids are hiding in all directions. They don't want to be on film. Yeah, I'm going to pop out now and get some swim stuff, I think. Oh, look at this. How lovely. This is really lovely. I know I keep saying lovely, but it really is. I'm really impressed with this hotel. Full length mirror there. There I am in the corner. Another TV here. I'm thinking this is probably just storage. Yeah, but what a huge, you could put somebody else to sleep in there. Wardrobe space. Lovely. Great. Yeah, so what have we got? A bedside cupboard and lamps, telephone. So we're eating here tonight and I'll let you know what the food's like. Very, very impressed with the hotel and the surroundings so far. The room is absolutely superb. You couldn't ask for a better room for 4 people. My only complaint so far is I wish we were staying here a week, and we were only staying here 1 night. So yes, thank you very much, Gomersal Hotel. At the moment, spot on. I've just got out the pool. I didn't bring swimming costume with me, unfortunately, so I just popped out to the local Sports Direct, which was about an 8-minute drive, I think, and purchased one for £15. So I was happy with that, and it looked good, and I can use it on further holidays. So I went into the pool, and then I found out for you that you don't need any money for the lockers. You just need to put in the same pin twice. What else did I find out? That staying here, you can use the pool and the gym and the sauna at the side of the poolside sauna. But the other facilities, I think there was a hot tub, it looked like. So whatever the spa facilities were an extra purchase of £30 per person. The reason we didn't do that is we didn't have time, unfortunately, because we have a meal booked for 6 o'clock this evening here. But the pool was really nice temperature. The sauna that we went in was really nice as well. again, a really nice temperature. The changing areas were lovely, really nice. You had free towels down there if you're staying here, and I wore my robe down, so that was no problem at all. And my free slippers, you know, the slippers that were provided in the room. Yeah, so really 100% at the moment happy with this hotel. So we had a fantastic time, a fantastic stay. We really enjoyed Gomersal Park. It was a wonderful place for a family get together. The staff there was so very welcoming. They couldn't do enough for us. The food was wonderful. The breakfast was very tasty and lots of it. And overall, it was a wonderful stay, and we very much hope to come back to Gomersal Park Hotel again in the future.